Alright, a quick demo of my new Yi 4K Plus action camera, and I'm going to use it to do a quick unboxing of my new Yellow Speed Racing rear floor control arms that are adjustable, and also got some extension adjustments for the coilovers I have on the way, also from Yellow Speed Racing. I'm going to be using Kartboy end links and adjusters. Came fairly well packaged. They're relatively heavy, and they seem to be of good quality. And pretty sturdy. I guess they're not quite, I believe ISC floor control arms look like they're beefier, but I don't race, do anything crazy like jumping canyons, so these should be more than adequate. Not the best lighting in here, but good enough to give a general idea of how these are put together. They should work well. I do have the inverted coilovers from Yellow Speed Racing on the way. I guess they take a few weeks to get here. So once I receive those, I shall be installing them with the end links, and also probably doing brakes, wheels, tires, and a number of other things which I plan on making videos for. So anyways, this is a pretty good idea of what to expect when you pick up some Yellow Speed Racing rear lower control arms. I think I paid $300 something for them, so not too bad.